Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we are going to measure the results of the split test. And we do that by going to the home page and then by going to the behavior tab, scrolling down to find the experiments, clicking that link. And what you're going to notice is that your experiments will be running in this area. You'll then want to click on the experiment that you want the results for. And then you're going to get page-specific information about this test. All of your information is going to show up in this area, including the conversion rate. You do have the option of exporting this content to a PDF if you need to report to someone, a client or a customer. So basically, the bottom panel is going to show you the variant and how it's performing, how it's converting, and whether or not it is likely to outperform the original page. So you'll have information at a glance as to how well your page is doing and whether or not you should make changes. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.